It can be really overwhelming to find healthy, gluten-free, vegan foods that you can take with you quick and easy. Tofu is a little tricky. Tofu in general doesn't really have its own identity. It kind of just takes on the identity of whatever you put it in with, right? Well, this is a red lentil tofu. I got this from Simnett Nutrition. I wanted to make it a little different, so I have a little secret ingredient that I used. This is my twist on his red lentil tofu with my little helpers. Hello friends! So we got this recipe from Simnett Nutrition. Love red lentils, right? We love red lentils. If you haven't seen my lentil pancake videos, then check those out. We got this fun recipe from Simnett Nutrition. He does this red lentil tofu, which we are going to try today. We use what? This red lentils from Whole Foods. We grabbed this bag. I usually get it in bulk. They haven't had it, so we got this early this morning. And usually start with a ratio of 1 cup to 1 cup of water, which is what we got from his video. We already did this morning, right? We got the lentils already started. We did a cup of water and then another cup of red lentils. So after you do 1 cup, you wash it, then you do 3 cups of boiling water and you let it sit for 20 minutes. We're gonna do that now. And in between on his video, while he was letting the lentils soak, he did some exercises, tricep dips. So let's do them on the stool because I don't want you to put your feet up there, but I'll show you what you can do. You can put your feet on the stool like this. Okay, now bring your hips. Yeah, you don't have to lift your feet. Too dangerous, too dangerous. Just drop your elbows down. You know I am a yoga and fitness instructor. If you haven't seen my channel, Body Illumination, check that out. A little plug for me. Which again, I don't want to put my feet on the counter. I just skip that plank here. We are adding a cup of the red lentils with the water to the NutriBullet. The way Simnett Nutrition did it, he did it a little savory with a little bit of garlic and onion. And hey, we're Italian, so we do that with everything. But today, we're going to add a special guest. Who's the special guest? I love bananas. I love bananas. I like to put bananas in almost all of my recipes. I love banana ice cream. I love lentils with bananas. I love sweet potatoes with bananas. And today we're going to make our tofu more of a sweet tofu with bananas. So let's see if this works out. Now she got me these, but I'm going to use these, okay? I like to get rid of those ripe bananas, okay? So we decided on a banana and a half, and she's having the other half of the banana. Here we go. Let's blend this baby up. And then he says to just put it on a saucepan. So we're gonna blend it on the NutriBullet. Put it in the skillet, because I just want to get a little creative with this. I'm just trying some different things. We're gonna just pour it right in there.
It's kind of like pancake.
Yeah, it's kind of like a gigantic pancake. All right, and we'll take it over here. You guys got to check out these hydrangeas from my yard. Aren't they gorgeous? Keep stirring. We have to stir for anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, okay? Okay, timer. And keep stirring. It gets very gelatinous. So we're going to add a little cinnamon in here, okay? So a little salt, a little cinnamon, just a tiny bit of salt. And we just added a little bit of salt to it. This is Trader Joe's Pink Himalayan. Okay, so let's take it over here. So now we're going to put this right into this nice glass dish. And I got 2 because I wasn't sure, but it looks like it's going to fit into the smaller one. I was thinking a nice thin one would work out. This is pretty. And then we have to refrigerate this for, I think, 3 hours.
2.
2? All right, and then we're going to coat it with some cinnamon too. Go ahead, drizzle it on. Drizzle, drizzle, too much, too much. All right, so we put it into the glass bowl. We poured it into the glass bowl. We added some cinnamon. The batter itself has a nice taste to it. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator now. Okay, so here we go. Good. It's got like a nice texture to it.
Kind of looks like Salami.
salami, which we don't eat, but if you toast this or saute it, it could be nice as like a sweet breakfast. You can mix it with like a granola. You could even do maple syrup. I don't do a lot of maple syrup, but you could do maple syrup, but you could mix it with mangoes and a nice yogurt. You're getting the insulin resistant red lentils. And if you're not a fan of the soy, you can try this instead. Make sure you tune in to check out more of Simnett Nutrition's awesome recipes and content. He has a lot of great content, tips, and tricks on his channel. And if you're interested in seeing the savory version of this that we also tried, then definitely subscribe and I will show you the link to that video as soon as it comes out. I like it because it's quick, it's easy. The most labor intensive part is the stirring. And that took us like a good 10 minutes to do, which isn't bad. But I'm thinking, you know, this would be nice if you warmed it up and then threw it in with a nice plant-based yogurt, added in some mangoes or maybe some cherries, and you get the nice, yeah, we have that all ready to go. So definitely give this a try. Enjoy.